Hello. This is your monthly 10-minute Unbind Me reading for the sign of Libra. Sun, moon, rising, wherever Libra falls in your chart or is in your chart or rises in your chart. However you prefer. Namaste. Blessings in advance. Yes. Spirit Most High, what universal messages do you have for the sign of Libra? Yes, 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 yes. May all be safe and well throughout the evolution of the solution to the current situation. Trouble doesn't last always. Love and light. We have the Empress, Two of Pentacles. Eight of Pentacles. Ten of Pentacles. Nice. Eight of Swords. The initial evident situation at hand is a need to come up with a plan in order to manifest financial increase, as opposed to the lack of direction regarding funding. There needs to be a sense of purification to finances, and may have been abused. Someone may have gotten caught up in the mind on which direction to travel when it comes to taking what is available at the moment and looking for a way to add to it, as opposed to subtracting from it. But it's also coming from a spiritual perspective of knowing that you may be pregnant, dealing with a pregnant individual, or about to become pregnant, and there are mental obstacles that need to be addressed, to the point where there may have been no mistake, and it's an illusion that the wrong moves are made due to self-judgment. And actually, for every opposite, there's an equal and opposite reaction. So the more something seemed negative, the more that it brought about the polarity of positivity by showing the desire to rid oneself of such vices. As a result, you're able to look and see how to stay focused and unbothered on your path, even in the midst of illusions. There needs to be an increase in self-esteem. Knight of Cups. You have the Knight of Cups, you know. And that's allowing one to say, hey, I've taken this sword, I've slayed this dragon, and I've held on to my cup. Because there's a sense of, you may be in the midst of judgmental individuals who, just because you have a glass of wine to celebrate your accomplishments finally, and you're like, okay, I've taken this step away from stress. And no, that's not the only way to celebrate, but you've chosen to let your hair down a little bit and be like, okay, I want to get over the past, Six of Cups, by celebrating knowing how. Instead of seeking the answers, you finally know how to get through situations now. All the obstacles have turned into like a potluck of spirituality. Every struggle has brought a new dish for you to be served from and to serve others. So you don't feel toolless. You don't feel ill-equipped regarding how to get over the emotional debris of the past, clarified by the Ten of Swords. Yeah, well, actually, I'm up here. So you have a decision where, from how this looks, let's do a breakdown. You can see it laying down right here. Yes, good enough. So, all right, you got the Ten of Swords, Two of Pentacles, Knight of Cups. So it's going, why can't everyone just be happy for me? I mean, you have to decide, either you're going to wait for others to celebrate, or you're going to wait for the next time to sabotage yourself regarding, do you know the proper step to take towards the future? Versus having confidence in having a made-up mind over the past. You're being blessed with the individual that knows how to be there for you too. But the elusiveness of being abandoned while planning for a future can be burdensome, and also an obstacle if you allow it to be, if you feed it. Eight of Pentacles, because now, excuse me, you're blessed with the ability to have your worth known. Purification. New beginnings. A business endeavor that you needed to move your feet on and not be stagnant or self-sabotaging about. You can't look at it like, well, I tried this occupation once and I didn't see the return, and now it's your time though. It's all about timing, divine timing. Was there a platform for your purpose to be properly supported on? And now that you're presented with that opportunity, why not? Page of Pentacles. Having that focus on knowing just how abundant, not falling victim to talking yourself out of success due to past results. Bottom energy. It's a man, a woman, and a little child. And it's movement forward. Movement into the next stage of success, life. It's protection over your family. Surety. Due to unwavering focus. It's going, I know what I want to manifest. I know my worth. I know exactly where I'm going. And I know exactly what it will take to not get there. And that would be to allow past emotions to plague the mind. Six of Cups, Ten of Swords, and the Empress. Because the mind is going to be the foundation. Clarified by the Eight of Swords, Two of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles, Ten of Pentacles, and the Empress. No matter what's going on in your life, you have to hold on to your wand of manifestation this tight and say, you know what? It's mine. I'm not letting in any circumstances remove this from my hand. I'm going to hold on to it. I'm going to get where I intend to go. Because when you point the wand and then go, well, I don't know. But then you're flinging energy back. So the universe is like, well, do you want me to take the way I'm making for you back? The path, the foundation has been laid. Stand strong, move forward in confidence, without second guessing oneself. We'll take that as the middle card for the new energy. 6 of Swords. So it's birthing the new beginning to have a safe opportunity for you and your family without being distracted. 4 of Cups. It's all about what you focus on emotionally and where you place your emotions in order to manifest. And you have the Knight of Swords with the 8 of Pentacles. It's someone who's mentally able to say, you know what? This isn't going to work. That isn't going to work, without being negative, but realistic. But also must not get caught up in certain thought patterns that are unrealistic within oneself. It's doing the same thing emotionally with money, self-worth, your value, and expecting a different result, but without being on the borderline of insanity. It's more so emotional self-sabotage. But that emotional self-sabotage right there is enough this time to say, 9 of Wands. Nothing shall stand in your way. Nothing shall allow you to feel defeated. It's the time where it's going to make or break you, because it's not the first time. It's like taking a test, failing the test, but then not finding a way to still pass the course. And this time you're going, you know what? Not only am I not giving up, I won't give in. Ace of Pentacles. And that one train of thought of knowing just how worthy you are, how beautiful you are, for feeding your soul purpose. Why would the universe respond to you? What reason does the universe have to not love on you? 2 of Swords. Communicate with the universe. Communicate with those who are not in alignment with what you desire, deserve, or intend to see manifest. And that is when you go, enough is enough. But also taking your power into your own hands to go, enough is enough, because I am enough. In order for belief to exude from me, I must first be the possessor of the belief within me, without feeling as if you're disrespecting spirituality. Never choose to be condescending. Always choose to say, I am. Ashe. I am the sole ruler of my destiny, because of the unbreakable, unshakable faith and relationship that you have spiritually with the universe and the Most High. Yes. You got the Page of Cups. Now, you can't be a person that runs away from commitment. Can't turn this Knight of Cups into the Page of Cups. By being emotionally unstable and willing to cling to defeat over accomplishments. You have 3 emotionally stable individuals who are able to be there for you, because your vibration is of what you attract. And final messages for the sign of Libra with the King of Cups. By you becoming an emotionally sound individual, You've attracted a support system of emotionally empowering and sound individuals that are enough inertia to catapult you forward. High Priestess, the Devil, and the Knight of Pentacles. Allowing you to act on your worth fast, to defeat with passion, and conquer by divine protection, universal faith. I am Saba. This has been your monthly 10-minute or more Unbind Me reading for the sign of Libra. Namaste. Love and light.